Hello friends, welcome to Let's Tap. In today's video, I am going to explain you how to generate flat pattern marking for transition piece or transition shapes that are used in a pressure vessel fabrication or your normal day-to-day fabrication activities. In most of the case, the transition piece are most useful in ducting industry, insulation industry, sheet metal fabrication industry, and other types of industry where the transition just means some shapes, one shape is changing from another shape is called a transition, and most example of transition pieces is for square to round transition or round to square transitions, rectangular to round transition or round to rectangular transition. These types of transitions comes under the transition pieces layout. If you want to generate the flat pattern marking for such types of shapes, just like a square to round or round to square development, these types of development of fabrication layout marking you can easily find out by using our tools that we are going to learn in this video. So let's move to learn about this, how we can calculate the flat pattern marking for transition pieces or transition layouts. First of all, you have to open your mobile browser and type Let's Fab in Google search term and click on the search button. When you click on the search button, Google will give you some result to you. Just scroll down below to find first link of our website letsfab.in and just click on the first link of our website. It will open the home page of our website. When our home page of our website will be open, you will find the menu button at upper right corner of this website. Just click on the menu button. You will get various menus available with our website. Just click on the our app menus where you will move to our app page where lots of the pressure vessel fabrication calculators or fabrication calculator that are developed by the Let's Fab has been listed over there. You just scroll down below to find our today's tool transition layout. Just scroll down below, you will get this tool transition layout. Here is a transition layout tool that we are using for today's calculations tool, or just like for generating a flat pattern for the transition layout. Here one icon or some short summary will be given, but below of that short summary one button is over there, is for download app for Android or Apple device. You can use this calculator for both your Android device also and Apple device also. So I am just clicking on the button download app for Android or Apple device. When you click on this button, it will open the description page of this app, where the description of using this app, how you can use, what are the functions or what are the tools available with this app has been listed over there. You can read it, or when you scroll down below, you will get to two links option where click here to download app for Android device, and second option is for click here to download app for Apple device. In my case, I have an Android device, that's why I am clicking on the first link, click here to download app for Android device. You should choose as per your device. So I am clicking on the first link. When I click here to download for Android device, it will move to me on a Google Play Store website where this app or calculator has been listed over there. In my case, I have already downloaded this app. That's why it's just showing directly open button here. If you have not installed previously, you will play install button over there. Just click on the install button. It will start to download in your mobile, and wait for some second. After completing the download, you will also get the same button of open highlighted by green color. Just click on the open button. It will open the welcome screen of our app. You just wait for completing the progress bar to the 100%. Just I am waiting for this completing the 100%. When the 100% of this progress bar will be completed, it will open the home page of our this calculator. In home page of this calculator, there are four tools are listed over there. First is for rectangular to round transition, or you can say it as the square to round transitions. Second is for round to rectangular transitions or round to square transitions. And third is for pyramid. If you want to generate the pyramidical shapes, then you can use this option. And last one is a truncated pyramid. If the pyramid is truncated by some distance, then it can also be flat pattern layout has been also generated by using this tool. This tool is most useful for fabrication shapes where you have to generate a fabrication layout of transition piece, like similarly like the square to round transitions or round to square transition. This is the most widely used shapes in a fabrication. We are just see one by one options. We are not going to cover all the options, but just we are taking few options so that you can understand how you can use this tool in your day-to-day fabrication activity. I am choosing first option, rectangular to round development. When I click on the first option, it will open the input screen of this app where input dimensions requirement is shown on this image. In this image, all the notation that are used in inputs field that are explained over there or that are shown over there, which dimensions you have to input in your input field. There are the 4 requirements of the input in this for generating the rectangular to round layout. One is the diameter. You will require the diameters, length and width of rectangular or square section, and height of the transition piece. These are the 4 requirements, and you have to select the number of development lines for generating this types of development. I am just taking one example so that you can understand how to input the dimensions and how to get the result. I am taking a diameter as a 500 mm, length as a 800 mm, width as a 900 mm, and height as a 600 mm. I am just taking a random example. You just take this input as per your drawings or as per your example. I am selecting 24 as a development lines. You can choose as per your requirement, or you can directly input this number of development lines also. I am clicking for simplification 24 lines and just clicking on the calculate button. When I click on the calculated button, it display me the flat pattern layout, how it can be displayed or how it can be shown in a flat patterns, and the dimensions are listed below that. To notified all the dimensions are listed over there. You just by using these dimensions you can easily mark a flat pattern layout or fabrication layout for rectangular to round transition piece. You can use this dimension. I am just clicking on the back and I am going to take second option, that is the round to square rectangular. This is other widely used. Most of the case in fabrication case, round to rectangular are most also used in most of the applications. That's why we also included this tool to in this transition layout calculator. Similarly, it also required 4 input, that is the diameter, length, width and height, and the development lines you have to select as per your requirement. I am taking similar example just like by clicking a diameter as 800 mm, length as a 900 mm, width as a 750 mm, height as a 600 mm. I am just taking a random example and selecting a 24 number of lines for development and clicking on the calculator button. When I click on calculate button, it will display me the output flat pattern of how it can be shown. It display over there above the dimensions, and below this image there are the layout marking dimensions are written over there. You can use the layout dimensions and you can mark the flat pattern layout as per shown in the drawings or is figure, and generate flat pattern layout and use for your fabrication application. I am clicking on the back button. I am just taking the last one more example as a truncated pyramid, and in truncated pyramid you require 4 dimensions requirement. One is for length of top section, width of top section, or length of bottom section, or width of bottom section, and height of the transition piece. In this case you have all the dimensions are listed or shown on the drawing so that you can input your dimensions as per dimensions given over there by comparing this image with your actual problem. I am taking one example as the 500 mm width, 500 mm length of bottom section, 600 mm width of the bottom section, 300 mm length of the top section, and 300 mm as the width of the top section, and height as a 450 mm. I am just taking a random example and clicking on the calculate button. It will give me both the layout of both the plate, that is the L1 and L2. By using these dimensions I can mark this plate and use for my fabrication activities. You can use this tool for your generating a transition piece layout or marking a flat pattern layout for this your transition piece application. Similarly, if you want more tools, or if you want more tools from us, you can visit our website, our app page, where the lots of the fabrication calculators are listed over there. You can choose as per your requirement, and you can use it on your day-to-day fabrication activity. Similarly, if you want to learn from us, you can visit our courses page on our website, where some of the courses which are offered by LetStep has been listed over there. You can choose as per your requirement and you can join our courses to learn from us. If you like this video, just click on the like button, share with your friends. If you find this video more informative, comment us so that I can get your feedback. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.